La la la. Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to Timothy's Toy Therapy. My name is Timothy, and today is a special day because we are, I guess, discussing some toys I bought. I've been collecting a lot of toys over the last 6 months, in Barbie size and action figure size, and I just wanted to share some with you on this very rainy Sunday. I'm in the garage, which is my new art studio, but I also think it's going to be my future filming space because we've got beautiful natural light coming from above, and it just, I don't know if the audio will be any good, but it just looks about right for filming, if you know what I mean. So that's what we're going to be doing. And it also means that my room doesn't get cluttered with boxes, and I can keep the junk, if you call it that, out here where I intend to use it for dioramas and such. So that's what we're doing in the garage today. There may be some planes that fly over. The rain may get heavy. It is a tin roof, so we'll do our best and see how we go. It is currently getting heavier, so I may have to talk louder. But, oh my god, it's really getting heavier. Damn, I wonder if this is even going to be audible, but we'll find out, won't we? I'll just have to talk a bit louder. But today, being our little Christmas special, it's actually someone's, well, it's before someone's birthday when I'm recording this, but it is someone very special to me's 6th birthday, and that is the one and only Tiffany. I bought Tiffany on Boxing Day. Oh, not Boxing Day. I bought Tiffany on Christmas Eve, and I was looking for a Barbie that had a tan and golden blonde hair and blue eyes, but I'm colorblind, so I didn't know that her eyes weren't blue. And I wanted to have high heels on, and I wanted her to just embody the Barbie that I remember as a child, and that was Peaches and Cream. And I think Tiffany comes pretty close to Peaches and Cream in a way. So yeah, happy birthday, Tiffany. We're gonna move aside because today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of dolls. So this background doesn't fit right now, but it is a good background and we're going to go with it. Today we will be unboxing the Wizard from Wicked and Wicked, well, the Wicked movies, Wicked Part 1 and 2. I don't like calling it Wicked for good because it doesn't really capture the first movie by changing the name. Anyway, anyway, I don't really care for the box. It's probably AI generated, probably shit, and all of that. But that's the box. That's the back of the box. And we're just gonna rip him out right now because I can't wait any longer. Interesting. Oh, there's tape on the top. Anyway, we'll snip him out. I was very much, I don't know if I want him. And then I decided I did. So, oh my god, it's got those stays in it. Hang on. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. This packaging would look really good as a window for my upcoming diorama that I will be working on in the new year. Oh, I see. He has one there. Oops. And one there. And now he's almost free. Now he's free. Hang on. Alright, he comes with one accessory, and that is his emerald cane, which is a fun little detail that is emerald on top. Let's move Tiffany and Mnemotheus out of the way so we can focus on the wizard. He does not come with a stand, but he comes with this coat, and the coat is attached to his vest here, and then he's bare naked under that. I'm guessing it's all a kind of green. His pants are green, his shoes are green. Let's see how you take this off. Weird. Okay, that's how you do it. So it wraps around his neck, and then you've got Velcro at the back. And take that off. On the vest, he's got some chains that are sewn on, as you can see, right there. And he's on this articulated body. It's not a major move, obviously, but it's a bit thicker. I have another Mnemotheus over here, and he's on the same body. This is Fiero from Wicked, so they're the same kind of doll. As you can see, everything's basically the same. The outfit that Mnemotheus is wearing, I had on this one, and it fits tighter on him. So you could use it as a little more fuller. Okay. I'm not gonna, well, actually, I am, because I'm gonna change him. I'm gonna take off his pants and I don't know how loud the rain is on the phone, but I'm assuming it's pretty loud. Just trying to find an outfit that I can put on him. We can stand him up for a little bit. Oh. He's a bit wonky, actually. Oh my god. Why is that? Oh. There we go. That should be better. One of his legs was nearly poking out. I think we're going to go with these pants with this top. And then this jacket. Adult Doll Collector did an amazing, I think it was her, yeah it was, did an amazing restyle of the wizard, or just Goldblum, and I really liked it. I'm not going the same way with this one, but I do like the style she gave him. I didn't have enough time to find my clothes that looked like that, and I also don't want to like 100% copy someone else's outfit. I may go darker. I'm worried about the rain falling here, actually. Okay, that looks alright. Put this on here, which is from Twilight Edward. I was about to call him Eric. Oh my god, I wanted to film all these videos today, but it's raining. I don't know about these boots. But I don't have a lot of boots out here right now. Okay, so there he is. Let's get this out. There we go. I think he looks alright. Like that. What do you think? Maybe we can try a different pair of pants. Maybe these ones. Also, the background here is a diorama background that I did for my action figure shelves. And the floor, which is a mess right now, is also for my diorama. There's 3 shelves for one of the 3 platforms, like levels, so they can all be seen, and so front, back, middle, whatever. Oh yeah, this one works a little bit more. Yeah. All right. Oh yes, much better. I like these pants on him. All right, well there's my wizard all dressed up. It looks great. I might paint his hair black. I might. I'll think about it. But he looks really cool. He needs a stand. He's gonna fall over. Hang on. Okay, there we go. He is now on a stand. So guys, I'm gonna probably leave the video there because I'm gonna be doing a few coming out over the next week, and I need to get a jumper because it's raining and I'm cold now, which is ridiculous. But I will be doing different videos. I'll be doing some action figures. I'll be doing some dolls. Well, actually, probably 2 more doll videos and maybe three videos for action figures. We'll see. Or maybe I'll do 3 videos for dolls and 3 videos for action figures. But That's including this one. I will see you all very soon. Yeah, and comment on what you think about his style. It's a quick style, but I didn't have much time with all this rain happening, and I've got to also check the audio for this video as well. But yeah, if you'd like to comment and leave a message, happy birthday to Tiffany. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.